Assalamualaikum kids, Senegal presents Islamic Beautiful Nursery.
It is here, so bright, so new. Smiles and joy for me and you. After fasting, after prayer, we thank Allah everywhere. Eid Mubarak, loud we say. Happy hearts on this blessed day. Allahu Akbar, voices rise. Love and peace under the skies.
New clothes shining clean and bright. Family hugs feel warm and light. Sharing sweets and spreading cheer. Eid is our most joyful time of year.
Oh Allah, accept our dua. Guide us always on your way. Keep our hearts so full of light. Lead us through both day and night. Eid Mubarak, heart so true.
So true.
We are thankful, me and you.
In you.
Allahu Akbar, voices say. Bless us on this special day.
Like, share, subscribe Senegal for more Islamic videos. Jazakallah.